Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already as well. For today's video, I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you guys my dining room tour. I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. I went for a very minimal theme within my whole home, and especially for the dining room, I only wanted things that I truly needed in here. All right, so let's start off by talking about the bench and table, which are obviously the focal point of the room. I got so many questions when I just showed the bench to you guys. You guys wanted to see like the full look, but I had to wait because the bench came way before the table. The table showed up a few weeks later. Now, this table is just like a really nice dark wood to it. Keep in mind that the glass top that is on it does not come with it. So I did have this glass piece custom cut. Went on Yelp. Yelp has this feature where you can ask for a quote for something, and I just asked for a quote from all my local glass shops, and I went with the person that was the cheapest. That is a little home decor hack for you guys to save some money. So that is what I did. I've got the little glass top on it. Again, the dining table and the bench are sold separately, so you can buy either one. I just knew I wanted the bench to add more seating. I knew I wanted only 4 chairs, but then I knew I wanted the possibility to seat more people. So I thought the bench was the best option. Now we can talk a little bit about what is on top of the dining table. I get a lot of questions about this round marble piece. This round marble piece was gifted to me from my dad. And then on top of that, I just have these glass coasters, which I showed these before, and all of you guys are asking where they are from. I will have them linked down below. They're from Pottery Barn. I love them. They're such good quality. They have the really nice little feet on them. And then next to that, I just have my little round geode piece that I got from CB2 recently. Keep in mind, it does kind of roll around. You gotta kind of like mess with it to find an angle where it will sit still, but I love it. And then here I just have my plant. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, I was not planning on keeping the plant here. It was sitting here for a few weeks while I got everything else together, and it loves its space here. So that is just my little arrangement instead of the arrangement I was gonna do on my table. But if the plant is happy here, we'll leave it. I also think it adds like a really nice centerpiece to the table. So that is that. And then the actual planter that that's in is from Amazon. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys. Now we can move on to the chairs. I searched for chairs for like 3 weeks until I finally realized that I just needed to bite the bullet and get the ones that I really wanted. So these were the ones that I really wanted to get. They are such good quality. I'm so happy I just went with them and I didn't get something that was cheaper. I definitely know I would have had to compromise on quality to get some metal framed dining chairs. I was seeing a lot of them, but they did have bad reviews. So I just went with my tried and true West Elm. You guys know how much I love West Elm, but I love shopping West Elm because they always have like little mini sales that are always good. And then on top of that, I just know that everything is gonna be exceptional quality. You definitely know that you're gonna have it for quite some time. So went ahead and got these. I love the wired like metal frame detailing on them. I knew I wanted like a metal frame, and when I saw the bar across the back of these chairs, I just knew that these were for me. I love the gray color on them. All right, now we can go to the corner where we can talk about, I did go ahead and get these sphere planters I was sharing with you guys in a video the other day. Went ahead and picked them up. They finally got delivered, and let me just tell you, I'm so happy I went with them. It just adds like a really nice statement piece to the room. And again, I didn't want to get a ton of meaningless home decor. Wanted to get things I actually needed, and my plant definitely needed a planter. So that kind of acts like a decor piece on its own, but it's serving a purpose because it's holding my beautiful plant. Now my plant is a 6 feet tall dragon tree. They have another name, but the dragon tree is like their little nickname. These are really easy plants to take care of if you're a new plant mom like me, and you definitely should get these because they're just super easy to take care of. They're very low maintenance, and if you just put them in bright light and water them like literally once every 3 weeks, you're good to go. Now moving on to the art piece and the focal point of the room. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about the actual color on the walls, and what I will tell you is that I don't know the color because This already came painted as an accent wall when I moved in here. The art piece is from one of my favorite designers, and that is Cood Krieg Home. I have another wall hanging from them. If you guys have watched my channel for a while, then you know. I have another wall hanging that I used to have above my couch. A lot of you guys asked what happened to it. I still have it. Well, technically I do, but I gave it to my mom. And I love supporting local artists and finding pieces like this just to incorporate in my home. It's a lot different than most other pieces that you see. And again, because it is from a local artist, everyone's not gonna have it within their home. And like I said, art should be a conversation piece within your home, so definitely try and find something more unique. It's also amazing to support local artists and smaller businesses, and I love supporting hers. She's absolutely awesome, and she is the absolute sweetest. Also comes on this wooden dowel hanging that she has for these wall hangings that I absolutely love, because to me these are awesome. All right, and then next to that little art piece, I actually have this planter and plant stand. I get so many questions on it. It is also from Crate & Barrel. I love their planters. They're super unique. It has like a muted metallic tone to it. Again, I absolutely love these. They come in a few different sizes. This one in particular is my favorite. I actually used it prior in a subscriber room makeover, and after buying her one, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to buy one of these for myself. So I finally got it, and then in there I just have my rubber tree that so far is doing quite well in this space. All right, so that was everything I wanted to share with you guys as far as my dining room tour goes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!